Today I'm doing a company video. I'd like to share with you some of our information over the years. Shenzhen Rusxun Culture Technology Co. Limited is the global marketing center of the IWO brand that focuses on smart wearable products, providing microbrands with a one-stop smart wearable product solution of design plus brand marketing plus production. IWO is an acronym for I Worth Optimum, which means I deserve the best. IWO is positioned on the brand concept of premium technology and fashion. We provide users with high-quality, trendy smart wearable products. Team. Our founder is an experienced product developer. Strong management team with deep experience in consumer products and technology. Our supply chain. Strong relationships with components suppliers, supported by Zenai contract manufacturers. We've got 300 people in our factory here in smart wearables, making a variety of highly technical products. Just from one side to go another side, it takes 10 minutes. Our product is, first and foremost, quality-based. We have a comprehensive range of quality testing equipment, from quality control to the very latest cutting-edge research. Why work with IWO? Rich experience in design and manufacturing smart wearable devices, and we have provided ODM/OEM service for brands REALME and Marvel. Provide killer marketing videos and images. 2% free spares, 1-year warranty. Provide final inspection reports and inspection video. Our partners. Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts.